Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today's adventure is going to be another food review slash challenge, whatever. I know I've done a few more of these recently than I did before, but some people seem to like them, so we're going to do a few other ones. Today is going to be a really crazy one. I can't believe I'm going to be doing it. But today, I am going to eat a cricket. That is right, I'm going to eat a cricket. Purchased this box here of crickets from the Missouri Botanical Gardens. These are bacon and cheese flavored crickets. I have no idea, I can't believe I'm going to be doing this, but I've got my bottle of water here, just in case, especially to rush my mouth out with. We're going to give this a try, so how these will be. The bag they come in is sealed. Give me a moment here. It's taking a minute to open these up. All right. Got a cricket here. Here goes. Zoom in. It's kind of hard to see right now. The 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yeah, that's right now one and done. It's not that there was a bad necessary taste. I know these are supposed to taste like bacon and cheddar. There was absolutely no bacon bacon and cheese. Sorry, well, bacon and cheddar. There was no bacon taste to these whatsoever. There was no cheese flavor to it whatsoever. It's just like eating basically like a piece of wood, of kind of, wood that, I guess, digestible wood. Oh. Yeah. Not very appetizing in the least. I used to be a big fan of Survivor, and they used to have a food challenge on Survivor, especially the first few episodes. So this kind of reminded me of that, trying something look disgusting. The hardest part, I guess, is getting over the mental block there. And there's some people, they want to replace potato chips and French fries and things like that with crickets. They may be a source of protein, because if you look, that's the only thing that actually is in here. There's 4.3 calories and 0.679% of your daily protein. That's about it. There's a few other statistics there, but they're all less than 0.01%. So you'd have to eat a lot of these suckers to even get a 0.1% of a gram of the daily nutrition. Oh. It's not an aftertaste, but it feels like something almost like stuck in my throat, in my mouth. Yeah. I do not plan to ever do that again anytime soon. But we tried it. We ate a cricket. And yeah, if you want to try to do a one-up on the Bean Boozle challenge or something like that, Get yourself a box of these. They're fairly inexpensive. And have a go at it. Hope you like wood. Cardboard. It's not cardboard, no, it's like plywood. Yeah. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.